Hi folks, this is AimCom here with his boilerplate neural network using Redux Toolkit and Chart.js. And today's going to be a quick one. It's going to how to change an epoch number into a readable string into hours and minutes, so it takes up a bit less space here. So in the project right here, here's the line code for it that I'm going to change, but I'm going to do it in two steps here, so we get to see a bit like what's happening here. So if I just put in new date and epoch time, this is for your projects. Maybe your project you want the whole string. Okay, did I save it? I did not save it. There we go. So, okay, we get the whole time here, right? So that could be good for some projects, right? But for this project, I want to keep it short and sweet. And let's open it up a bit here and show, okay, so like new date, same thing. Get the hour, I concatenate. This will be like, viewed on in your app. And then I do the same thing again, but get minutes. So let's save that. Up and save. Refresh, I mean. And we now get minutes. Now, this chart here is under slice function where I'm slicing a piece of this. So I can't use in my payload. See, I'm using epoch, right? In my payload here, I'm using epoch. And this one here is actually under this handle. So that handle has to be changed. So how would we do that is, let's go see it, built here, and we find it epoch right over here. So what we got to do is basically the same thing. So I'm going to close that, have more room here, and I'll just code it in. So new date, and I grab this, okay, and then I get the hours. There we go, hours. Then we concatenate plus. I'm gonna put a little. I forget the term for this. Two dots. Like that, and basically it's the same line here, but I'll control copy, paste. But instead of hours, it's gonna be minutes. There we go. And to understand how my response is happening here, I'm filling up the array. If the array is empty, I fill up 500, but if the array is already full, I just go get the last latest price. So this is the last latest price section. If the length is greater or equal to 500, just get me the last piece. If not, do the whole filler up. So filler up me, I gotta do the whole. I'm gonna do the same thing right over here. So new date. That. Dot. Get hours. Date. Date. Dot. Get minutes. And we add this response. Control copy into here, paste. Hopefully you don't got any gotchas. Oh, wait a second, I think I do. No, I'm under, I got a brace here. Okay, so it should be alright. And it's like a coder, we go back into the code. And, okay, there is a issue. There is an issue, let me see. Okay, get hours good. Get minute. Oh, yeah, typo. And voila. Oh, now this one's out of whack. What happened? What did I do here? I must have changed something here. Oh. Oh, this is not too good, folks. Because I'm using the epoch num to slice. Just a second here. Okay, if you guys didn't catch on here, I did this one first, it worked. Then I do this one, and now that one's not because I'm slicing the epoch, and the epoch is already changed into. So basically, I think I can just return the item because it's been sliced already. So let's see if it reads it properly. And it does. So voila, folks. This is the get hour and minute introduced into the app. It's good for all kinds of apps to understand this little tiny function, new date, um, right here. So the way my app was set up is that if I'm slicing uh, the epoch number from a big array, and then if I slice it, if I change it, if I give it a new date, then I was doubling up the data for a new date, and it doesn't capitulate that. So okay, we have it, folks. This is part 4. Hope you guys liked it. It's nice and simple, sweet and simple. So see you guys in part 5.